Today we're using the Yes oven, whose process involves first venting the chamber, running an HMDs process, and evacuating the chamber when finished. First, be sure that the plasma power supply below the oven is switched on. You should also check that the temperature settings are right, but they probably already are. In order to vent the chamber, press to select recipe number, type 16, enter, done, and press to start. You are now venting the chamber. Once the process is complete, you are ready to load your substrates. Open the door, be sure to grab the mitts, and place your substrates on the trays, loading from top to bottom. Also be sure to only load on the shelves with the white tabs. To run an HMDs process, use the recipe number 1 for those without plasma, 11 for those with plasma, or 10 for reverse imaging. Once pressing to start, this should take 45 minutes. Once complete, you can unload your sample from bottom to top. Now that you've completed your process, it's time to evacuate the chamber. Use the recipe number 0. Notice, the pressure will drop below 1 torr, and then the screen begins reading pressure in millitorr. At around 965 millitorr, press to reset and you're done.